there. You heard what I said. To ladies them out there that's screaming and bleaching and wearing full wigs, this is your future. Sean Kingston, motherhead ball and shine like a bowling ball. No eyelashes. So she's defrauding people in America. Sean Kingston arrested. His mother arrested after defrauding many people for over $1 million in the United States. Kingston is currently in a jail in California, USA. His mother is in a jail in Broward County, South Florida, USA, after a strong presence of the SWAT team raided a rented mansion in the rural part of the southwest side of Florida.